Hello everyone and welcome to this video where I will be exploring the various ways to make money with GPT-3, the cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI. GPT-3 is known for its advanced language processing capabilities, making it a powerful tool for business and individual alike. In this video, I will cover several unique and innovative ways to use GPT-3 to generate revenue. So let's start the video. Welcome to Listen Imran channel. This is MD Imran Khan. Firstly, we need to know about what is GPT-3. GPT-3 Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3 is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It is one of the largest language models to date with over 175 billion parameters. GPT-3 uses deep learning algorithm to generate human-like text based on the input it is given. It has been trained on a massive amount of diverse text data and can generate text for various tasks such as answering questions, translation, summarization, and much more. Develop GPT-3 powered virtual assistant. Virtual assistants powered by GPT-3 can help business and individual automate administrative tasks such as scheduling appointment and answering questions. This virtual assistant can be sold to companies looking to streamline their workflow and increase productivity. Build GPT-3 powered language learning applications. With GPT-3 advanced language processing capabilities, you can develop language learning applications that can provide personalized language lesson to individual and organization. This application can be sold to people looking to learn a new language. Use GPT-3 for sentiment analysis. GPT-3 language processing capabilities can be used to perform sentiment analysis on text-based data sources such as social media and news articles. This information can be used by business and organization to gain insight into consumer behavior and public opinion and can be sold as a valuable market research tool. Create GPT-3 powered customer service chatbots. Customer service chatbots powered by GPT-3 can assist customers with common questions and issues, reducing the workload of customer service teams. This chatbot can be integrated into a business website or mobile app and can be sold to companies looking to improve their customer service. Develop GPT-3 powered personal shopping assistants. Personal shopping assistant powered by GPT-3 can help individuals find and purchase products based on their preference and budget. This shopping assistant can be integrated into e-commerce websites and mobile apps and can be sold to consumers looking for a convenient shopping experience. Use GPT-3 for language translation. GPT-3 advanced language processing capabilities can be utilized to develop language translation applications, helping business and individuals communicate with people who speak different languages. Develop GPT-3 powered language generation systems. With GPT-3 language processing capabilities, you can develop systems that can generate new original language content such as poetry, song lyrics, or fiction writing. These systems can be used for entertainment purpose or to generate new content for marketing campaigns. Create GPT-3 powered personal finance tool. Personal finance tool powered by GPT-3 can help individuals better understand their financial situation and make informed decisions about their money. For example, you can develop a budgeting tool that uses GPT-3 to analyze a personal spending habit and suggest ways to save money. Use GPT-3 for social media analysis. GPT-3 language processing capabilities can be used to perform social media analysis and track trends on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This information can be used by business or organization to better understand consumer behavior and public opinion. Develop GPT-3 powered news aggregators. GPT-3 language processing capabilities can be used to develop news aggregators that can summarize articles and provide personalized news feeds. These news aggregators could be sold to individual or organization looking to stay up to date on the latest news. Create GPT-3 powered content generation tool. Content generation tool powered by GPT-3 can assist content creators in generating new and original content for their websites, blogs, or social media. This tool can be integrated into popular content management system and can be sold to content creators looking for a way to generate high quality content quickly and easily. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many unique and innovative ways to make money with GPT-3, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI. Whether you are a business owner, a software developer, or an individual with a creative idea, GPT-3 provides endless opportunity to generate revenue. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the possibilities of GPT-3 and to test something new and exciting. Thank you for watching.